So I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I thought the show was over. I got to get up real early. I know it's kind of seems early, but anyway, as I was going to bed, I noticed the female cardinal came in for a final bite to eat before it gets too dark. It's 8:30 at night. Hello, buddy. These are the only two here right now. It's close to the end of the day, and I guess they're just trying to get a little something to eat before they go to bed. Oh, they're pretty girls. You can hear them. Yes. These cats just don't know what to think about these guys yet. Oh, you came up to the window. They normally don't go past the perch. Well, out there. You're a young one. You're really young. Oh, here, buddy. They stay in those trees. And those trees, and then we got another one, like, yeah, that tree. They stay in that tree there, too. Where'd it go, Ace? He's like, man, where'd it go? Huh? Where'd it go, Ace? Oh. Thanks for watching, guys, and good night. How they going, Ace? Started. Fish are ready for me to feed them. Fish are hungry.